Ever wonder how such a small thing as a clove can hold enormous health benefits? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. From the ancient kitchens to the modern medicine cabinets, cloves have been working their magic for centuries. But now, new research is shedding light on the surprising benefits of drinking clove water at night. Oh yes, you heard it right. There's a lot more to this tiny spice than meets the eye. So buckle up, folks, as we get ready to unravel the secret powers of this tiny spice. Now, what happens when you mix these powerful cloves with water and let it sit overnight? You're about to find out. Imagine the scene. You've taken a handful of cloves, those tiny aromatic gems, and you've dropped them into a glass of water. Over the course of the night, the water becomes infused with all the magic and mystery that these cloves possess. The water becomes a liquid embodiment of the clove's natural goodness, its nutrients more readily available and bioavailable for our bodies to consume and utilize. Now let's talk about what this magic potion does to your body. First off, it works wonders for your digestion. Ever felt that uncomfortable bloating after a heavy meal? Well, clove water is like a gentle natural remedy that helps soothe your digestive system, aiding in better digestion and reducing bloating. Next, let's talk about your immune system, our body's first line of defense against diseases. Clove water, with its abundance of antioxidants, fortifies your immune system, making it stronger and more robust. It's like having your own personal bodyguard, warding off all the nasty bugs that could make you sick. So you see, this little potion is a powerhouse of health benefits. Just a simple glass of water, a few cloves, and a night's wait. And you've created a magic potion that not only tastes unique, but also, quite literally, heals you from within. Why should you drink this clove water at night, you ask? Well, let's dive right in, shall we? Consider this. The end of the day rolls around and you're winding down for a good night's rest. Your body is preparing to rejuvenate itself, to heal, to reset. But what if you could give it a little boost? That's where clove water comes in. Drinking it at night, just before you hit the hay, can have some truly magical effects. Imagine the calming aroma of cloves wafting up from your cup. Now, this isn't just a sensory pleasure. The scent of cloves has been linked to reducing stress and promoting relaxation. It's like a mini spa session right in your teacup. As you sip on this warm aromatic water, your body begins to relax. The stresses of the day start to melt away, preparing you for a peaceful night's sleep. But the wonders of clove water don't stop at serenity. It's also a potent anti-inflammatory. While you're off in dreamland, it's busy soothing any internal inflammation. Think of it as your body's own little nighttime repair crew, working diligently to keep you in top shape. And let's not forget the heart. The heart, that tireless worker, pumping away day in and day out. It could use a bit of support, don't you think? Clove water is just the ticket. It's been found to help maintain cardiovascular health, supporting the heart and keeping your blood flowing smoothly. So, what's the takeaway here? Drinking clove water at night is like giving your body a well-deserved tune-up. It helps you unwind, eases inflammation, and supports your heart. It's a simple ritual, but one that could make a world of difference. So, not only does it help you sleep like a baby, but it also works wonders for your heart. But why don't doctors tell you about this? Well, it's not that they're hiding some grand secret from you. Far from it. Medical professionals operate under a principle known as personalized medicine. Essentially, this means that what works wonders for one individual may not have the same impact on another. It's the reason why you have a unique prescription or a treatment plan tailored to you and you alone. Now let's consider cloves. These tiny powerhouses of health benefits are impressive, no doubt. But it's important to remember that they might not work the same magic for everyone. For instance, someone with a clove allergy would be advised to stay clear, despite the potential benefits. So it's not that the doctors don't want you to benefit from clove water, it's simply that they prioritize treatments that are proven to be effective for your specific situation. But let's shift our focus to the final health benefit of clove water, its potential role in cancer prevention. Recent studies have shown promising results about the anti-carcinogenic properties of cloves. The compound eugenol found in cloves has been studied for its potential to halt the growth of cancer cells. This, of course, is a huge breakthrough, and while more research is needed, it's an exciting prospect. However, let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's imperative to remember that while clove water has its benefits, it's not some magical potion that cures all ailments. It's a supplement, a booster, a helper, if you will. It can provide a health kick, but it's not the be-all and end-all solution. And so we circle back to the doctors. They're not keeping you in the dark. They're doing what they've always done, providing you with the best possible care tailored to your unique needs. And this includes discussing natural remedies like clove water where appropriate. Remember, while clove water is beneficial, it's not a magic cure-all. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Now, having learned about these benefits, what do you think? We've journeyed together through the secret world of cloves, unmasking its hidden power. We've brewed the magic potion and unveiled a nightly ritual that could potentially change your life. We've even peeked into the doctor's dilemma, understanding why this humble spice often slips under the radar in modern medicine. I invite you to consider this. What if you could harness the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and digestive benefits of clove water? What if this simple nightly routine could soothe your sleep, boost your immunity, and even keep your skin glowing? But remember, everyone's body is unique and health is a deeply personal journey. Always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you're unsure. In the grand play of life, it's your turn to step onto the stage. Would you consider adding clove water to your nightly routine? Share your thoughts in the comments below.